Hey, good morning, physical science students. Today is Wednesday, October 7th. So I'm going to talk to you real quick about your job today. So I'm going to scroll down to week 6, and I will scroll down to Wednesday. You got your daily attendance right there. Make sure you take that. Then you got your mass versus weight video quiz. So I'm going to click on this, and your view is going to come up just like this. So then it says open all the links below, copy and paste. You can copy and paste, but I've also linked them. So you just click the link and it's right there. And then you got the other two as well. So you get all three of these up like so. And just like this. And then, so you've got all of your links up top. And I now realize you can't see that. There you go. So you got all three of these links up top. And you're going to watch each video. They're not too long. Leave the tabs open so you can go back as needed. You can check things if you need to. And then you click the blue start button. So we're going to click there. And again, you just have 10 questions. So number 1, review mass and weight. There's the video again if you need it, but make sure you watch all 3 to begin with. When you're done, click review answers. And then you make sure you go through. Now, I haven't answered any. You need to answer them all, and then you'll be able to click submit. So click submit, and then you're done. So that is your mass versus weight video quiz. The other item that you need to do is take a look at this. Is anything else missing? Make sure you check your campus gradebooks. At 2:30 yesterday afternoon, I submitted everything to the campus gradebook. So everything that I had, I graded and submitted. So if you're missing something in the campus gradebook, get it turned in. Figure out what you're missing, see what you need to do to raise your grade. As always, ask if you have questions. I sit here on Wednesdays. I have some meetings, but I also have a lot of time to help out as needed, and I get so few questions. So if you've got questions, you got to ask them. All right? So check and see if you're missing anything. Some of you are still missing your Unit 1 summative test, which is really bringing your grade down because that's worth 50% of your overall grade. So if you are missing your Unit 1 summative test, review all that Unit 1 stuff and take that test, okay? I can definitely set up a private one-on-one meeting with you today, but I need you to ask, okay? All right, have a great day, work hard, and we'll see you all Thursday and Friday.